Welcome back to Coding Dev. In the previous video, we have seen how to disable form submission. In this video, we will see different form submission states. So there are four different form submission states. One is submitting. Next is submitted. Third one is submit successful. And the last one is which is not a flag but which is a counter, that is submit count. So as the name indicates, this is submitting will be true whenever the form is being submitted. Once it is submitted will be false. By default, it will be false. When form is submitted will be set to true irrespective of whether the submission was successful or we encountered an error. Is submitted will be set to true. Third one is submit successful. Only on the successful submission of the form is submit successful will be set to true. And this is submit count. This is the total number of times user has clicked on the submit button whenever it is enabled. So let us log this and see. So if I go to the browser and refresh the page, you can see is everything is set to false and submit count is 0. I'll fill the form and I'll click on register. You can see submitting is set to true initially, then it is turning it to false. So that means is submitting is set to true only when the form is being submitted, and is submitted will be false initially and it will be turning to true. Here is submit successful is true because all the validation has been passed. Now I will remove this disabled condition to check something. How is submit successful is not going to set to true whenever there is an error. So I refresh the page, I'll not fill anything. There are errors in the form. I click on register. As you can see, is submit successful is false, but I submitted it is true, and submit count is also incremented. If I click again, the submit count will be set to 2. So I can use this is submitting flag to disable the submit button whenever the form is being submitted. To visualize this, we need to slow down the submission. So what I'll do is this submit handler, I'll make it as async and I will wait for 3 seconds before it is being submitted. So I go back, I refresh the page, I fill the form. Now there are no errors. I click on register. As you can see, it is disabled for 3 seconds. Once this function execution completes, is submitting will be set to false and the button will be enabled. So those are the different form submission states. In the next video, we will see how we can reset the form. Thank you for watching. If you're liking this series, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.